Back out. So, bit of cooking tonight, as ever. No me, always cooking, always out in the woods. What we're having tonight. Right, get the Petromax SB32. I've stuck some olive oil in it. I'm going to try something a wee bit different. So it doesn't fall over. I'm saying a wee bit different. It's nothing too fancy, right? So, I've been watching these you see these things on YouTube and it's like Korean street food. I've seen them making these things, these kind of wrap things with egg, and so I've stuck egg, lazy chilli, lazy garlic, spring onions, salt, pepper. I don't have the chorizo sausage, but I've chopped up a chorizo sausage. I've got a kind of flatbread thing, so what I'm going to try and do is I'll cook the chorizo sausage first, fry that off, then I'll stick the egg in, fling that in the top of it. Hopefully that'll cook the egg on that side, flip it over, cook it just for another 30 seconds on that side, fold it over like that, and it should be good to go. So, oh, and of course you've got to have cheese, don't you? I'll chuck some cheese on the top of it as well. So let's give it a bash. First things first, let's get the fire on. Usual story, fire lighter. Oh, we just need the one, don't we? I'll stick that in there, will we? Stick that on the top. A couple of these. I've not even got my grill with me tonight. Just pure laziness. So I'm just going to stick the frying pan directly on top of this. Once it gets going, obviously. Smells of cooking. Normally I have a brew, but we changed tonight. I've got a litre of chocolate milk, so I'm quite sure I'll polish this off as well. Cheers. Comment below, do you like chocolate milk? I can't tell I'm quite partial to a wee litre of chocolate milk. So let that fire burn down a wee bit, then we'll stick the pan on, get the chorizo sausage on first, then we'll plug in the egg, the onion, lazy garlic, lazy chilli, salt, pepper, chuck the cheese in the top, and then chuck the kind of flatbread thing in the bottom, sorry, the top. Hopefully that will cook, flip it over, boom, ready to rock and roll. Right, the pan on first. I was going to let it heat up, but hey ho. So it's Spanish spicy chorizo. Oh, nearly want that happening. should really let it heat up, but hey ho, chuck it in. Sizzling. Well, I reckon that's good for the kind of eggs mix thing to go in next. So let's chuck that in, plus the cheese. Here we go. Right, we're ready. Right, cheese in as well. Chuck it all in. Oh, there's a bits of twig and everything in it. Oh, that's not good. Disaster. Disaster. Oh, it's fine. Right, chuck that in the top. And fingers crossed this is going to work. I reckon it will. This is just a pure trial and error thing. If the Koreans can do it, I'm quite sure I can do it. Oh. Right. What do you think? So I'm going to try and flip this, right? And this is going to see if it's worked or not. No. Bollocks. Well, didn't quite go according to plan. But it's not that bad, does it? See, at the end of the day, it's all going to go down the one way, innit? Right, I think we should just eat it. What do you think? Get your votes in now. Right. Maybe it doesn't look the best. I'm sure it'll taste fantastic. So let's try a wee bit yet. Bon appetit. Nope. Might look like a dog's dinner. It actually tastes not bad. What a concoction, huh? It's all good. So, while I'm eating this, comment below. What's the weather like where you are now? It's about here. As you can tell, sitting in the shorts, t-shirt. It's been else scorchable. I've been out in the kayak lately, I've been out jumped into rivers. I'm out swimming in the sea. As I always say, it beats sitting in the house, doesn't it? What's everybody else been up to? Comment below, where have you been recently? Anybody been away anywhere? Oh, a wee shout out to Tam Spoon. He chucked a sneaky wee fiver into my PayPal. So thanks for the donation, Tam. Robert Scott. Robert, if you're watching, thanks again for, I think you whacked in 20 quid. Very generous of everybody. So Robert's to help me have to get there's one of these sticks. Robert's told me I have to get a Big Daddy steak. So Robert's got, I've not got down to that yet, but that's on the cards. Big Daddy steak and a bottle of wine, I think it was. Guys, we'll be back camping probably tomorrow night. Saturday, off for a group camp. Tomorrow night was solo, but the following full night group camp, boat, sea fishing, hopefully catch and cook. So that'll be a good one. I'm quite looking forward to that. That'll be a good laugh. And when I go, so far I've been told, my good friend Brian, who's one of the guys that's going, so his boy's coming as well. So I'm giving him I've got that many hammocks and things now, so I'm going to give him a hammock, an under blanket. Another guy that's coming, I'm going to give him a set of walking poles. Just giving stuff away. I've got loads of stuff now, so. I always say it, it's nice to be nice. Give something back. But that should be good. I really like it. It will be a good laugh. That'll be a good camp. Tomorrow night, we might go and do a late night beach camp. What? What milk? So I don't know where I put it all. Well, I do. These hollow legs. Lovely. Now, I'll tell you, this isn't lasting long. It's just a bit done already. So, keep saying so. I need to stop saying so, don't I? I'm terrible for it. Oh, anyway, what was I talking about there? Aye, oh, tipping that hammock away. So his boy says he's going to get me a bottle of wine. This is where it's going to get dangerous, right? Other boy that I'm giving the poles to, he says he's going to bring me a bottle of wine. So that's 2 bottles of wine in. I've also already got a bottle of wine. That's 3 bottles of wine. Scary stuff. But some folk like I drink during the week. I don't drink during the week. On the weekend though, I like a wee beverage. I don't know anything else. So hopefully, the boy that's in the polls, James, he's asked me what kind of wine do you like, and the next thing he turns around and says, I'll bring you a bottle of Buckfast. James, thanks very much mate, but it's like injector mix for your motorbike. It's not for me. Other folk love it, but it's not mine. It's not for me. So it says he's going to get me a bottle of 19 Crimes. Oh yes, well done James. I'm And then, cooking wise, I'm going to take the Dutch oven. So, you just have to wait and see what's the bid, see what I cook. But I want a nice big hearty meal. So I'm looking forward to that. Well, that was good. Last but not least, got banana. Superb. Well, that'll be in a chocolate milk. I'll demolish that as well. Oh, I do love my food, as you all know. But that was, didn't turn out exactly where I wanted it, but tasted fine. Fire's kind of dying down now, so we'll just kind of sit back. Might sit here and talk rubbish for another 5 minutes, but right now I'm going to sit back in my bushcraft chair. In fact, probably do that for 5 minutes, and I'm going to head off somewhere for a wee hike somewhere, I think. Why not, eh? The sun's shining. Better not to.